Just be careful, nah, nah. Love ain't simple, nah, nah. Promise me no promises.
Alright. VIP. Hello, ma'am.
So, personal tour right here.
Okay. Alright. As you can see, wow, behind the scene, guys. You're getting
Cleaning up now.
okay. Beautiful.
We're actually gonna turn back around this way.
Oh, okay.
Okay, come over here.
Okay.
Alright, here we guys go. Inside of Vlet.
So,
Alright.
we eat.
Wow. As you see. Alright.
All the excitement of running around backstage. Like, oh, be careful!
Oh, Jesus.
There's a step.
Oh, wow. Barely. Alright. Gang, gang. Up, so cover your eyes.
Oh my god! Another boys' dressing room.
Look, cover your eyes. Look, cover your eyes.
This is the Harper's scooter.
Ooh. Alright.
Harper's wagon.
Wow.
Oh flag. This is the drum where I was carried on.
Oh my goodness, it was beautiful. The drum.
Wedding, no matter what today. This is my costume. Okay. Is there anything, Jay?
That's me.
That concludes our tour.
Alright, thank you.
Ooh, got me up so high, and I know that I'll be fine.
Surprise! Happy birthday to you! Surprise! Have a seat. Oh wait, was it over here? She doesn't even know. Surprise dinner. Look at you dressed like that. Well, don't you worry, because we got you a dress. Now go change. Yes, you are. Well, I bought it. You have to wear it. Such a pretty cake. Wow. Cute. Oh.
yes, with the knife. Can you give a knife?
These fools, what are you? Are you feeding each other or are you feeding yourself?
I couldn't find the fork.
Fine.
So I didn't finish it.
Let me see.
So I didn't finish it. So I'll take it back and I'll finish it.
Yes, this cup is my tripod.
Switch off every day. Duh.
Alright, open it, open it. Ooh. What?
That's not the towels.
She's like, we got her
Wrong
towel.
gift.
Nike?
The towels are shipping.
What is it? You gotta show us.
Are you gonna show us? I think the equivalent to this. I keep my hers up. Yeah.
No, I thought I was like, I don't know what to get feet. And
Don't know what size you are.
I
Got you an 8. The receipts in there.
I was gonna get you UGG slippers that V had, but I wasn't sure if you liked those. So I was like, let's get Nike slides.
Oh my god. Hey, now I can't have to wear hers anymore. Oh, she always takes it.
Really? Yes. Well, we did good. Good job.
I did great.
Yes. I like the second verse. I like the girl. Yeah. Just like this. Ready, guys? Ready, guys?
I seem to be so uptight, but my heart's been hurt a couple times by a couple guys that didn't treat me right. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna lie.
Cause I'm tired of the fake love. Show me what you're made of. Boy, make me believe. So what are we doing, guys? We're fixing this. We're here for the longest time. We're building a gingerbread house out of styrofoam.
Are you sure?
Yeah, look at this. So this is what we have so far.
I don't think this is
Look at that. Isn't that pretty cool?
without a roof.
Okay.
Ta-da! We finished our gingerbread house. Look at that.
The window. Where does it go?
Beautiful. Good job, guys. So beautiful. As you can see,
Wearing a shirt of practice tomorrow. Okay.
nice and decorated.
They did right.
We have a ladder. We have a conveyor belt. We got our elves working hard. Christmas is saved.
Did she tell you?
Around the hall. Hello, welcome. Okay, I'm so excited. I ordered a taser off of Amazon and it's right here. And I'm so excited because I have pepper spray on my keychain, but it's really old and it probably doesn't even work. And I just wanted a taser, you know? Oh, she's tiny. All right. I got it in pink, like, of course. I got this one off Amazon. I think it was like $10 or $12, so. Oh my god, it's so tiny. It's so cute. Do I have to, is this like battery or should I charge it? Oh my god, it's so cute. How do I on? Oh, there's a flashlight. That is cool. What is red mean? How does this work? Huh. Oh, you charge it. That is so cool. I like that. Okay. Well, I guess I have to charge it since... Oh my god. Oh my god. That's so loud. That's like really loud. Oh my god. Let's try again. Oh my god, I'm so scared.